Rolling, hating, patrolling, gotta catch me riding dirty, 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 gotta catch me riding dirty.
There's the intro.
Faye has a broken thumb. I'm going to show you how to repair this thumb.
Were you a doctor?
We are going to actually just cut the thumb off and have done.
And
then you can look like, this.
Willie Meena.
Willie Meena.
Don't like it.
You can look like that. We just
No,
chop it
I
off.
don't even like it near me.
So first of all, what we need to do is we need to push back the cuticles. Are you alright there?
Can you stay still, please?
You two need to stop being so bossy. Harassment.
We're bossy with everyone,
Harass-
not just you.
It's not in the workplace, it's... Yeah, whatever. It's not even harassment in the workplace, it's harassment in Clientsville.
This model that we were using earlier was brilliant. She just
Didn't moan.
didn't moan.
No, nothing. She was very good. I will have her back.
I was just going to say, you can have a bath.
So I've pushed the cuticles back and I'm just going to blend this acrylic a little bit. We don't have any lifting or anything like that. But now, if you look down the barrel of the nail, if you look at the top view maybe, you can see you have that thickness. We are going to reduce that thickness down. Because we're going to put acrylic on top of that. And we want it to connect together.
This sounds like a bright idea. Do you know what you're doing?
Take off the top coat as well. And if your client is a little bit of a moaning idiot, you can always keep the e-file on for a little bit longer than necessary. Create a bit of heat.
Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot.
We haven't won the World Cup yet. You can't be celebrating too much.
Not yet.
Did you watch the football, did you?
Did you have kittens?
No, I don't like football, so...
What, and you still didn't get into that? That was the most amazing, exhilarating game ever.
I don't like football.
Do you like men? You should like football.
Some of them are horrible though.
Going to wipe over with gel residue wipe off solution, make it nice and clean. I'm going to clean the finger at the same time because I'm going to fit a sculpting form and I don't want the sculpting form to move. So we went through number 1.
You're going to have to measure it now, aren't
It's
you?
3.5 now, isn't it?
Definitely the shortest nails I've ever seen you have.
That really snug. Can you see how snug as a bug underneath that nail it is? That's how you need it to fit. And then, can you see the slope? Now what I want you to imagine is the acrylic's going to fit like that. So can you see how it's going to overlap on top of the existing acrylic? That's what we want. Going to dehydrate the natural nail.
I'm glad you're utilising what's left on my nail. There's no need to take it off, is
There
there?
isn't no need at all. And I'm going to put the acid primer on there as well.
Emphasis on the acid.
Acid! I've got true pink and I'm just building out the length very thinly.
Okay, so anybody who wants to know all the colours, take a screenshot now.
put a thin layer of true pink on that natural nail. Pick up some more glitter. So I'm just picking up with a bead of acrylic the glitters and placing them where I want them. So while I'm encapsulating this, I'm concentrating on building the apex as well. I'm going to take the form off. And we're going to file this bad boy into shape. Side walls first. I'm just going to take down some of the bulk with my electric file. I have padded it out a bit with acrylic because I don't want it to break. I nearly said it because I do want it to break. That would be really cruel.
You cruel? Never.
So I'm just going to top coat that, pop it in the lamp.
Lovely nail, that is.
It is a lovely nail. I love seeing those pieces of mylar
Nice,
sort
aren't
of
they?
flash through. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a beautiful nail. You've done that dead quick though. I feel like you've done it really quick.
There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe and like and comment below. Tell me what you think. See you in the next video. Ole, 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 ole.
Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot.
All right now, all right.